Hey there, in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Cash App to Chime. For this, first open your Cash App and log into your account. Then after logging in, tap on your profile icon from the top right. Then from here what you have to do, scroll down a little bit. From here you will see an option linked banks. Tap on it, and then select link debit card. Then tap on no card. Then tap on continue from here. Then you will see a bunch of bank option here. From here select Chime. Then enter your Chime email address and password and tap on submit, and your bank account was successfully linked. Then tap on done and go back to the home page of Cash App. Now from here select bank icon from the bottom left, then select cash out from here. Then enter your amount and tap on cash out, and that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from your Cash App to Chime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.